Hello everyone. Let's see the next machine. Next machine. So here construct the minimal DFA. Construct the minimal DFA which will start with AB. Construct the minimal DFA which will start with AB. Which will start with AB. Okay, and alphabets are given as A comma B. Yes. So, what will be the string in the language? Firstly, tell me. What will be the string in the language? Yeah, that may be the right answer. Yes. What about others? Okay, fine. Let's see. So, what are the string possible? Here it is start with AB. Start with AB means it will start with AB means it can be AB. After AB, there can be the single A. Okay. After AB, there can be the B also. Okay. After AB, there can be AA. After AB, there can be BA. After AB, here it is AB, starting with AB, right? After AB, it can be it can be ABBA, or it can be BB, right? Or yes, and after that, so on. After that, so on, it will accept the string like AB, and it can be A plus B star. A plus B star means any combination of AB. ठीक है, तो AB के बाद क्या हो सकता है? A और B का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन आ सकता है ना? ऐसा ही होगा. Okay, so these are the string in the language. These are the string in the language. Now tell me, what are the number of state in the minimal DFA? States कितनी बनेगी? What are the number of states in the minimal DFA? Three states. Oh, three is sufficient. I think three is not sufficient. I think it is not sufficient. Let me check. Let's see AB. So minimal string is AB. So we'll look for the acceptance of AB. So here it is initial state. From initial state, let me say it is Q naught. From this one we'll read A and go to Q1, and from Q1 we'll read B and go to Q3, and let me say it is the final state. It means it is accepting AB. Okay, so here it is accepting AB. Now next thing, what will be the transition of B on Q naught? Q naught पे B का transition क्या होगा? Can we take the loop of B? Can I take loop of B? If we take the loop of B, string become B, or it can be BBA, BBA, B. But language is what? इट स्टार्ट विद ए बी, राइट। तो स्टार्टिंग में बी नहीं आ सकता, राइट। अगर स्टार्टिंग में बी नहीं आ सकता तो क्या होगा, वी कैन नॉट टेक द लूप, here we cannot take loop. Then where b will go, it means b will go to the trap state. In the starting, if b is not possible, so it will go to the trap state, so b will go to the trap state. And after that on trap state, anything is coming, either it is a or b, it will go to the trap state, means it will not accept that string which is starting with b. जो स्ट्रिंग बी से स्टार्ट करेगी उसको क्या नहीं होगा, एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी, राइट। ओके, नाउ ऑन Q1 we have taken the transition for b. What about a? In between, can I take the loop of a? In between, can I take the loop of a? Let's see. If we take loop of a, then what will happen? From Q node it will read a, and after that it can take multiple a, means a, it will read a from Q node and it will go to Q1. Here it can read multiple a, let me say multiple a, after that it will read b. So it is not starting with ab, it is not starting with ab, it means a, we cannot take the loop of a here, right. So we cannot take the loop of a. Then where a will go, so what will be the transition for a? So here in between, a is not possible, because after single a, if again a is coming, it will start with aa, but we are looking for ab, it should start with ab, right. It means it will go to the trap state or the dead state. If there is a transition for a, it will go to the trap state or the dead state. Now we have taken the transition for a, transition for b, so it is also valid, no dead configuration. Here also not dead configuration on Q1 Q नॉट, यहाँ पे भी डेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी डेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं है. व्हाट अबाउट Q3? So on Q3 what will happen? Can I take the loop of AB? Can I take the loop of AB, A comma B, right? So let's see, let's see. Initially it should be A B, okay. So from Q0 will start, it will read A and go to Q1, and after that it will read B and go to Q3, and Q3 is the final state, okay. So it will accept AB. After AB, if there can be the any combination, it can be ABA, it can be AB, after that double B, yes it is possible. Or we can say after AB it can be the any combination A plus B star. कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है, ए या बी में से कुछ भी आ सकता है, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन आ सकता है. इट मीन्स दिस लूप इज वैलिड हियर. सो वी विल टेक द लूप ऑफ ए एंड बी, right. We'll take the loop of a and b. Finally, here also there is no dead configuration, no dead configuration, there is no null move and there is no choice, right. There is no null move, no choice, no dead configuration. Finally we can say this is the minimal DFA. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है, ये मिनिमल DFA है. and it will accept all the string that belongs to the language. You can verify any string that belongs to the language, it will definitely accept. And you can also verify a string that doesn't belongs to the language, it will not accept that string. Let me say, if it is a ba, ba doesn't belongs to the language, so it should not accept. Let's check. So initially if b is coming, it will go to trap state, and after that a is coming, it will go to again trap state, and trap state is not a final state, and there is no acceptance on the trap state. It means it will reject the string. So here it will reject this string. So finally we can say it will accept all the string that belongs to the language, and it will not accept the string that doesn't belongs to the language. So this is the final minimal DFA, and in the final minimal DFA there will be the 4 number of states. So number of states will be 4. Now tell me, it is clear or not? Yes, It is clear or not? Okay, clear, good. Now let's see the next machine. Construct the minimal DFA. Construct the minimal DFA which will contain AB, right? So construct the minimal DFA for containing AB, containing AB. Okay, so it is containing AB. What will be the string in the language? Can you tell me what will be the string in the language? Okay, it will be AB, triple AB. Okay, yes. Okay, so in the language, you take any string, you will get AB, right? You take any string, you will get AB. So here it is containing AB. Containing AB means here it can be AB. Yes. After that, can we say here it can be A, after that AB? Yes, it is also possible. AB after that A, it is also possible. Yes, this is the possible case. After that, it can be 2 times A, and there can be the 3 times A and B, or it can be AB, AA, or it can be AB, then AB. It is also possible, and so on. So these are the strings in the language. These are the strings in the language. Then, what are the number of state in the minimal DFA? Can you tell me? Okay, 4 or 3. Some of candidates saying 3, some candidates saying 4. Okay, let's check. So we'll look for the minimal string. Minimal string is AB. Let's see. We'll take the state that is Q naught initially. So it is the initial state. After that, we'll read A from this one, and we'll go to the next state. Let me say it is Q1, and from Q1 we'll read B and go to the next state. Let me say it is Q2. Q2, and Q2 is the final state. Q2 क्या है? That is the final state, and it will accept the AB. Okay, so it is accepting AB. Let's check for B. Can we take the loop of B here? Can we take loop of B here? So it is possible or not? Let's check. Initially there can be the multiple B or not? Yes, initially there can be the multiple B. After that A and B. After that it is AB. So here it is containing AB, right? So there can be the multiple B. After that it is A and B, and after that it will go to the final state, and on final state there will be the definitely acceptance. So it will accept this string. So finally we can say this loop of B is possible on Q naught. Now what about loop of A? Can I take the loop of A here? Because there is a transition for B but not a transition for A. Can I take the loop here? Let's check. After single A, let me say here from Q node we'll read A and we'll go to Q1. On Q1 there can be the multiple A or not? Yes, there can be the multiple A. After that we'll read B, and go to the finally Q2. Okay, Q2 is the final state, and on the final state it is accepting. So we can say there can be the, after single A there can be the multiple A, and in the last it is B, so it is containing AB again. It means loop of A is also valid case in this, right? So यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है, there can be the loop of A. Or next thing, once we have read A from this one, after that we are reading B, so we have read AB. Okay, after AB there can be the any combination A plus B star, right? A प्लस बी स्टार का मतलब क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पे ए और बी का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल हो सकता है। हाँ, तो ए बी के बाद क्या हो सकता है, देर कैन बी द ए, आफ्टर ए बी देर कैन बी द ए बी, यस, after AB there can be the AA or any combination. So we'll take the loop of A comma B, right? We'll take the loop of A comma B, right? So finally this is what the minimal DFA, and you can check the properties. So it should not contain null move, so there is no null move, and there is no choice, and there is no dead configuration also. So finally this is the minimal DFA, right? This is what the minimal DFA, and it will accept all the strings that belongs to the language, and it will not accept the string that doesn't belongs to the language. Let me take example. Here bb is a string that doesn't belongs to the language because it should contain AB. So let me check it is accepting BB or not. So here from Q node it will read B one time. Okay, after that again it is reading B, and we are on Q node, and Q node is not a final state. Q node is not a final state, and if we are not on final state it will not accept the string, so this string is rejecting. So finally we can say it will not accept the string that doesn't belongs to the language. ठीक है, it will not accept the language that doesn't belongs to the it will not accept the string that doesn't belongs to the language, right? तो इस केस में क्या होगा, बस वही स्ट्रिंग एक्सेप्ट करेगा जो लैंग्वेज से बिलोंग करेगी, और जो लैंग्वेज से बिलोंग नहीं करेगी उन स्ट्रिंग्स को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा। मीन्स दिस इज द फाइनली मिनिमल डीएफए एंड विच इज द वैलिड वन, एंड देर आर 3 नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स। तो नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स क्या होंगी, देर विल बी 3। तो कई बार हमें लैंग्वेज दे दी जाएगी और पूछ लिया जाएगा कि यहाँ पे मिनिमल डीएफए में कितनी स्टेट्स बनेगी, राइट? सो समटाइम दे विल प्रोवाइड द क्वेश्चन लाइक इट इज कंटेनिंग ए बी, और पूछेगा कि मिनिमल डीएफए में स्ट्रिंग कितनी बनेगी, हाउ मेनी स्ट्रिंग्स विल बी सॉरी हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स विल बी देयर, how many states will be there in the minimal DFA. So here it is 3. Now tell me it is clear or not? Clear? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next machine. So next machine we can say construct the minimal DFA, construct the minimal DFA that end with AB, and with AB, yes, over the alphabet A comma B, right? So it is and with AB. Can you tell me what will be the string in the language, or we can say what are the string in the language? Okay, it is AB. After that, 4 time AB and so on. AB, double AB, AB. Okay, so it should end with AB. Let's see. So here it can be AB because AB is ending with AB. After that, in starting there can be the single A. After that it is AB and with AB. In starting there can be the single B. After that it is AB. Okay, and in starting there can be the double A, and in the end it can be AB. Yes, starting it can be AB. After that it is AB, ending with AB. In starting there can be the double B and ending with AB. In starting can be A, B, A and ending with B. So AB again and so on. In starting there can be the any combination A plus B star, कोई भी combination हो सकता है A B का, और end में क्या होगा, it will be AB, right? So these are the string in the language. Finally we can say these are the string in the language. If these are the string in the language, can you tell me what are the number of states in the DFA? 3 states. Yeah, that may be the right one. Yeah, that may be the right. Let's see. So end with AB means it will accept a string AB. Let's say look for the acceptance of AB. So here it is the initial state. Let me say Q naught. From Q naught I will read A and will go to Q1, and from Q1 will read B and go to final state, that is Q2 assume. Okay, so now it is accepting AB. From this one it will read A and go to Q1, and from Q1 it will read B and go to Q2. Q2 is the final state, it means it will accept AB. Now let's see B. Can we take the loop of B here? In starting there can be the multiple B or not? So in starting there can be the multiple B, because we can take multiple B. After that it is AB and it will accept. So in starting there can be the multiple B's. After that it will read A and go to Q1. After that it will read B and go to Q2 and it will accept the string. ठीक है, तो स्टार्टिंग में क्या हो सकता है, मल्टीपल बीज आ सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट इट विल रीड ए एंड बी एंड गो टू फाइनल स्टेट एंड इट इज एक्सेप्टिंग. सो इट इज़ द वैलिड ट्रांजिशन. ठीक है, तो ये ट्रांजिशन क्या रहेगा, वैलिड रहेगा. व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन, ऑन स्टेट Q1 देर इज ए ट्रांजिशन फॉर B but there is not a transition for A. In this case what will happen, can I take the loop of A here? Can I take the loop of A? Let's see. So initially we'll read single A. Okay, after that can be multiple A. Yes, let me say multiple A. After that it will read B and go to final state, and on the final state there is a accepting, right? So we can say it is AND with AB again, right? So here also it is AND with AB. It means this loop of A is correct one, right? We can take this transition. What about next one? In the final state what will happen? In final state, can I take the loop of A here? Can I take the loop of A here? So if we take the loop of A here, what will happen? After A and B, we'll read A from this one, B from this one, right? We'll read B from this one. Just a minute. Okay, so firstly we'll read A from this one, after that we'll read B from this one, huh? So we'll read AB and we are going to state Q2. After this one we can take multiple A, hmm? We can read multiple A's. Okay, if we are reading multiple A, then what will happen, we'll go to the final state. Final state is Q2 and it will accept this string, and this string doesn't belongs to the language, right? This string doesn't belongs to the language because लास्ट ए के बाद क्या होना चाहिए, बी आना चाहिए, right? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, we cannot take the loop of a here. Then where a will go, what will be the transition for a? यस, कैन यू टेल मी, ए का ट्रांजिशन कौन से वाली स्टेट पे जाएगा? Q1 पे जाएगा, Q0 पे जाएगा, कहाँ पे जाएगा? कैन यू टेल मी? Q1, okay. What about others? Yes, I'm saying that where will be where transition for A will go? It will go to state number Q1 or it will go to the state number Q0? A का ट्रांजिशन कहाँ पे जाएगा? Q1 पे जाएगा या Q0 पे जाएगा? Q0. Okay, let's see. So from Q0, yeah, Q1 may be the right answer. Let's see. From Q0 we'll read A. Okay, after that we'll go to Q1. From Q1 if we read B, we'll go to Q2. After that if we read A again, so we required B in the end because it will end with AB, right? So it means if we take the transition here, if we take this transition here, hmm, just a minute. We'll take the transition of A here, then what will happen? Initially it will read this A and go to Q1. After that it will read B. Okay, after that it will read B and go to Q2, and from this one again it will read A and go to Q1, and after that it will read B and go to Q2, right? It means once it is reading A, after that it is reading B, after that it will read A, or it can read multiple number of A, right? It can read multiple number of A, after that it is B and go to final state and it is end with AB. So finally this is the valid transition. What about B? If B is coming, what will be the transition for B? It will go to Q1 or Q0, or can we take the loop of B? Yes, what will happen? Let's see. So here we are reading from A from this Q0 and go to Q1, and from Q1 we'll read B and go to Q2, and if we take the loop of B here, what will happen? Initially we have read B, AB. After that we can take multiple B, and after multiple B it will go to the final state Q2 and it will accept this string, and this string doesn't belongs to the language, right? It doesn't end with ab, so this string doesn't belongs to the language, means it should not accept, it means we cannot take the loop here. So here loop of b is not valid. Now okay, q1 I think it is also wrong. Let's see the next one. If we take the loop of b here, then what will happen? It will read a, it will read b from this one, so here it is ab. On q2 again it is reading b, and from q and we are going to q1 है ना, q2 से क्या किया, b रीड किया और कहाँ पे चले गए, q1 पे. Now on q1 again we will read b and go to final state, and again it is not end with ab, so it should not accept this string, means this is not the valid transition. ठीक है, तो ये भी क्या नहीं है, वैलिड ट्रांजिशन नहीं है. तो कहाँ पे होगा? नाउ वी कैन टेक द transition like this one. Now what will happen? Initially if a is coming, it will read a from this one and go to q1. After that it can read b from this one and go to q2. After that it can read b again, and it can read multiple b also, it can read multiple b also from this one. After that it will read a, and it will read b and go to final state. Finally it is ending with ab, so this is the valid transition for b, right? And finally we can say this is the valid dfa also. ठीक है, तो ये क्या रहेगा, finally valid dfa रहेगा, and which is the minimal dfa, which will accept all the string that belongs to the language, right? Which will accept all the string that belongs to the language. Also you can verify there is a null move or not a null move. You can verify there is a choice or not. No, there is a no choice. You can check for dead configuration. On q2 q0 there is a transition for b, there is a transition for a also, no dead configuration. On q1 transition for a and transition for b, no dead configuration. On q2 there is a transition for a, transition for b, no dead configuration. Finally we can say there is no dead configuration also. So this is the required minimal dfa, which will accept the and with ab, right? Which will accept all the strings that end with ab. Now tell me, it is clear or not? Yes, it is clear or not? Okay, clear, good. Okay, so are you feeling like offline classes in the live classes also, or any problems in the live class? Okay, everything is fine, then good. Okay, okay. Now let's see the next one. So next machine is construct the minimal DFA which start with A and end with B. Machine start with A, machine start with A and end with B. ठीक है, तो ये वाली क्या करेंगे, मशीन कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. दिस इज द मशीन स्टार्ट विद ए एंड एंड विद बी, स्टार्ट विद ए एंड एंड विद बी. घर से ट्राई करना है इसको. नेक्स्ट construct the minimal DFA which start and end with different symbol, right? Construct the minimal DFA, or we can say machine that start and end with start and end with different symbol। मीन्स ए से स्टार्ट हो रही है तो बी से एंड होगी, बी से स्टार्ट हो रही है तो ए से एंड होगी। ओके, एंड ओवर द अल्फ़ाबेट ए कॉमा बी। अल्फ़ाबेट्स अपने को क्या लेके चलना है, सभी में ए कॉमा बी लेके चलना है। अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर ए कॉमा बी। and next machine is machine that start and end with start and end with same symbol। ओके, सो क्या होगा, मशीन स्टार्ट करेगी और एंड करेगी किससे, सेम सिंबल से। मतलब ए से ही स्टार्ट करेगी और ए से ही एंड करेंगे, बी से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे बी से ही एंड करेंगे। सो दीज आर द थ्री मशीन्स, you try at home, this is the homework for you।